Oh yeah, you know what time it is. E-Smart tax time. He got a tax refund and he's rolling in style. His shoulder devil told him that it's time to get wild. He's got money to burn and lovely ladies too. He's around the shots, don't you wish it was you? Daryl's up in the club, on the case like Dragnet. With all the cash he's blowing, he'd be like a chick magnet. Stepping out of the vault, he's making it rain. When you're partying with Daryl, it's always off the chain. With E-Smart tax, he'd be like a high roller. But Daryl blew the money, now his party is over. Now his party is over. Daryl's party is over.